Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jean, the Candid Filipina, and today I will give money to my father as I said that it will finish the house. So, this is another 5,000 towards Kim's house. And
material.
yeah, so 20,000, it's $340 all in all that I received. So um actually the plan is like this: half hollow blocks and half plywood, and also a 10 sheets for the roof and concrete floor with 1 CR. So guys, this is your project, and because of your generosity to help build my sister Kim's house, it's all up to you all, and whatever your suggestions that build the house, either you want it to build whole hollow blocks, or maybe you want put some curtains in it, or put cement on the wall, or painted the wall if you like, and or put tile floor. So it's all up to you guys. I don't have money to continue this, to support this, but thank you all for your kindness and for your all donations. So guys, if you see this video, you can comment whatever you like in Kim's house, because this is all your donations, and I'm very grateful for this. So my father also will build the house for free. As you see, his house is not yet finished. He stopped this one because he started building Kim's house. So I'll show you later how much they build, and please comment of what you like in Kim's house. For all your support, thank you ever so much, and I'll check it out later. And also I have here 4,000 pesos for my father's donation. This is for the past video who sent donation, so I withdrew this today and I'll give it to my father because this is his. And thank you so much. What can you say? What can you say to them? Thank
Thank you.
thank you so much. Thank you so much all, and
Support
please,
me.
thank you for your help and support my father. Thank you so much, guys.
This sun. Daddy. Look at this, oh. Sun. How many sack sa others shallow blocks. Others another sun. Sun. Another sun. Yes. What is this? Like cement. Cement there. What this?